South Africans, come here. Come get your dude. Why? Somebody explain to me why. Please, get your dude.
When South Africans told Americans, guys, you do not understand. The white people here are a different breed of white people, right? Americans were like laughing and saying, no, you guys are soft, you guys are weak. Look at Elon Musk, South African born Pretoria Boykie, doing the salute, the Nazi salute. And I'm just sitting here and I'm like, I'm not shocked. I'm not shocked. Like, where did you think they went after World War II? They came here and they went there, where you guys are at. So they've been working on this for a couple of years. Like, you have 30 minutes. Get out. Get out. History has a funny way of repeating itself. Get out. We warned y'all.
So Elon made that sign. Americans are making videos talking about, yo, South Africa, come get your dude. South Africans are not having none of it. I'm South African, but I don't recognize that boy. Facts, I don't recognize him as well. Nope, he's been yours, so keep him. We don't do lost and found. That was a good one. No, thank you. Double it and give it to another country. Unfortunately, South Africa has got no return policy. You break it and you pay for it. Not our problem. Negotiate with Lesotho. He's from there. Zani. Nia. Now you're throwing Lesotho under the bus. As a South African, we are staying out of this. We told y'all we wanted breezy. Order declined. Y'all done had this man for years. Y'all never told him go back to South Africa. I agree. Keep it.
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Robi Masaga. Today I want us to discuss about the controversial salute that Elon Musk did. I've been seeing reaction videos from different people. I've seen Americans reacting on that salute. Some of them are pointing fingers at South Africans. They are saying that they should go for Elon Musk because he belongs to South Africa. I've seen Germans reacting on the same. Some of them are saying that that salute resembles the Nazi salute, and it's actually illegal to do it in German. South Africans have also reacted. They are calling on all Americans who are pointing fingers at them. They are saying that now Elon Musk belongs to America and not South Africa. Well, I have a few reaction videos here which I want to share with you guys. Then on the comment section, let me know what you think about that salute. Do you think it's a Nazi salute? And do you think there's any message that that Elon Musk was trying to pass? Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, remember to subscribe, like, and share as well.
My heart goes out to you.
My fellow Southarians, let's gather. There is a discord and a debate amongst the Americans right now in regards to Elon Musk and the salute that he did during his speech. Now, there are two aspects of this conversation, right? There are people who believe that what he was doing was something called the Roman salute, which is something that the Americans used to do back in the days to pledge allegiance to the flag. And there are some people who claim that it's not the Roman salute. It is, in fact, that salute that the Germany people used to do. You know that guy that nobody likes there who did that thing to the Jews that will not be mentioned by name. In all of this discord, I would like to say, please keep that man. Please keep that man. Aramanyaki, because Aramanyaki, at this point, he belongs to you guys. We can, at this point. Hi guys. I don't really want to have an opinion on this matter because I don't really know what that salute entails and what kind of impact it has on the Americans, you know, how it affected them. So I'm just giving you what I've seen right now. That, yay, the Americans, they are very kwatile.
I did not expect to be making an update video this quickly regarding Elon Musk's gesture. Now, one of the groups that was on Elon's side is the ADL, the Anti-Defamation League, which is a group that fights anti-Semitism. And they were on his side, basically saying that the gesture seemed innocent, that he didn't mean anything from it. But they have now changed their stance because of the things that he has done since then. Now, apparently on X, while he was defending his gesture, he also then made a series of Yahtzee-related puns, and now the ADL can't ignore that. Apparently in his puns, he referenced top leaders from that particular point of history. People like Rudolf Hess, Joseph Goebbels, Hermann Goering, and Heinrich Himmler, saying things like, don't say Hess to Yahtzee accusations. Some people will Goebbels anything down. He also said, stop goring your enemies. His pronouns would have been he, Himmler. Bet you did not see that coming, except he didn't spell it not see. Now look, people are going to believe one way or the other. You already know what you think about the gesture, but I'm just going to say this. If you already are being condemned for making something and you say that you didn't do it, then the appropriate action isn't to continue making comments that make it look like you made that gesture on purpose. Anyways, make sure to hit that follow button and drop your thoughts on this one. What do you think about the comments that he was making?
Of course, Elon did the Yahtzee salute. His grandparents, his mother's parents, were part of the Yahtzee Party of Canada. They immigrated to apartheid South Africa because they supported apartheid. That's how fucking racist this guy and his family are. They had an emerald mine in apartheid South Africa. Come on, of course he's gonna do this shit.
First of all, I find this very interesting because it feels like right now what Americans are trying to do is push responsibilities to South Africans. Just because Elon Musk was born in South Africa does not mean that every mistake he does, South Africans should be accountable. He belongs to America now. He has invented or contributed to the development of several groundbreaking technologies and companies like Tesla, PayPal, SpaceX, and Boring Company. Those are some of the things that Elon Musk has done. So now let's assume that South Africans have gone to America to pick Elon Musk because Americans are telling them to go and pick Elon Musk because he belongs to South Africa, which is true. He was born there. So do you think Americans would give Elon Musk back together with his inventions? So now that he has done something wrong, it's when you remember that he does not belong to America. But the moment he was developing or inventing these things, all you did was clap and celebrate Elon Musk. But now you don't want because he has done something wrong. You want to call on South Africans. So basically what you're doing is tarnish the name of South Africans. You can't associate them with something good. You only remember them the moment someone has done something wrong. That's when you people remember, oh, this person belonged to South Africa. He needs to leave. But when he's inventing all these things, you don't remember that he does not belong to America. Now, let's talk about Germans a bit. Reactions there are different. People are outraged because majority of them are saying that this salute is very offensive there. And actually, it reminds them of the past. German people have always tried to forget about their past. So this is actually a lesson to people out there. Before you do something, you need to ask yourself, how is this going to affect people out there? Is it going to affect them emotionally? Because you're reminding people of something they're trying hard to forget about. If truly whatever Elon Musk did was a Nazi salute, it's wrong. Because you're reminding people of where they came from. German people went through, we all know what they went through. Some of them don't even want to remember about the past. And you go out there publicly, do that sign, reminding them of where they came from. It's wrong. Or what kind of message are you trying to pass out there? Are you trying to send to people out there? We need to always think before we do something. Think, is whatever I'm about to do going to affect people out there? And you can't tell me that he didn't know what he was doing. Elon is very informed. He's educated. He's not someone from the village. He's not naive. This is someone who is very informed. He knew what he was doing. This is someone who has invented things. Just like I said, he has invented a lot. So you mean to tell me that he doesn't know anything about the past, about the Nazi salute. He knew what he was doing. If, to those people defending him, saying that he was just sending love out there, you need to stop being naive and you need to stop lying to yourself. I know some of you love Elon, which is okay. We all have people we love. It's very much okay, but stop lying to the world. Elon is very educated. He's smart. He knows. If at all he knew that sign has a meaning, he should not have done it. If there are so many ways to show love in the public, so many ways. You don't have to do something that is going to provoke others. Then say that I was just sending love. Unless you are indirectly sending message, maybe. But I don't even know why South Africans are being dragged in this. Because Elon Musk was attending the inauguration of American president. So why are South African even being involved in this? Americans need to deal with whatever that is happening in America. Deal with it. Elon Musk belongs to you now. He's been in America for so many years. So why now? Why now after he has done something wrong? I know some of you might maybe were joking, or some of you are even serious about whatever you are saying. But you need to deal with whatever that happens in America. You need to deal with it. Be accountable for your mistakes. Don't start calling on an African country to come and solve your issues. If Elon did something wrong, he needs to be called out. People need to tell him whatever you did was wrong. Stop telling South Africans. South Africans won't do anything. When billionaires were being invited in that inaugurations, South Africans were not invited. Even their president was not invited. So why are you guys calling them now? What I can say is whatever Elon Musk did was wrong because, well, maybe he had good intentions. But when you're informed, there are things you don't do, especially when you know they have some meaning. You don't do them. So if many people have been calling out Elon Musk, all he needs to do is apologize. That's all. I've seen people calling him out even on his own app, to an extent where he had to delete a tweet. So he needs to just be responsible. Come out and apologize to people. That is the best thing you can do, instead of now pointing fingers at people who are very much innocent. Anyway, guys, tell me on the comment section, what do you think? Do you think Elon Musk knew what he was doing, or do you think it was just an innocent salute? Let me know in the comment section, and remember to subscribe, like, and share as well. And until next time,